Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create an auto-updating collection in your Shopify store. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login to log in to your Shopify account. Now go to Products and select Collections. Click on this Create Collection button from this corner. And for this video, I will create an under $100 collection. For the description, I will go with something like discover amazing products that won't break the bank. Below collection type, instead of going with manual, select smart, because manual you need to add your products one by one manually. With smart, existing and future products, that must the conditions, we will set it later, will automatically be added to this collection. And for the conditions, we will go with a price condition. And since we are talking about products under $100, we will go with is less than $100. You can add another condition, but for this under $100 condition, only one condition is enough. For example, you can add, for example, lightweight products under $100. Here you will add another condition, which is weight, and you will add is less than, let's say, 100 grams, for example. Or here it goes with kilo. So, but in my case, I won't need that. Now let's add a photo for this collection. This is the photo that I will use for this collection. I think I will copy this image address, go back to Shopify, click on add image. There is no option. I need to save it to my computer first. Then click on add files. This is my photo. This is it. Double clicking on it to upload it to Shopify. Now let's verify our entries. This is the title, discover amazing products that don't break the bank. Collection type, smart. Conditions, price is less than $100, correct. And this is the image. For the publishing, you can select your sales channels. Just hit manage. Let's say this collection is only available on your online store, so I will uncheck this point of sale. Click on done, and now click on this save button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. View your online store, let's click on it. And as you can see, this collection only shows products below $100. Now, to make sure that this collection automatically updates itself, let's modify this this controller product for a price that is greater than $100. Let's go back to Shopify. Let's go to the products page. Where is the This is the controller product. And now instead of $59, let's modify it to $120. Now what should happen is that when I refresh this page, this controller product should disappear because it is greater than $100. Let's refresh the page. Let's refresh it another time because, and as you can see, my collection automatically disappeared from this collection. Now let's see how to add this collection to this navigation menu. It's simple. Just to go back to your Shopify dashboard, go to online store, click on themes. My bad. Go to content, not online store. Click on menus. Now click on the menu that you are using here. If you have multiple menus and you don't know which one is this one, just look at the navigation menu. As you can see, it starts with home and finishes and ends with privacy policy. This is home and this is privacy policy. So I am using this latest menu. Click on add menu item and here select collections and you will see your under or automatically updating collection. You can edit the label from here, but I will keep it under $100. Click on save. And now let's refresh this page. And as you can see, now my new collection or my new auto updating collection is added to my navigation menu. And this is how to create an auto updating collection in your Shopify store.